Choosing a right product is not easy nowadays. So we are here to help you. We put products in our list after researching on them, after checking the quality of products, and also after different experiments. We categorized products and also their rankings. We always list quality products that are suitable for our subscribers. The best thing is we try to give high quality products in affordable price. Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 4 products available in the market. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 4 on the list is Product 1. Wi-Fi borescope transmits and displays video and images directly to your smartphone up to 30 feet, 9 meters away. Product 1. Waterproof 9mm camera has 6 onboard adjustable LED lights and outputs high-quality 640 by 480 images. Product 1. Tough, armored 6-foot, 1.8 meters long waterproof camera gooseneck maneuvers around obstacles while maintaining rigidity. Product 1. Battery status indicator tracks the charge level of the lithium-ion battery. Product 2. Circuit breaker toolkit can help quickly and accurately locate the correct circuit breaker in a panel corresponding to the circuit to which an electrical outlet or fixture is connected. Product 2. Digital circuit breaker finder with GFCI outlet tester. CAT. No. ET310. Receiver delivers clear visual and audible indications when the correct breaker has been located. Product 2. Operates on 90 to 120 volts AC circuits. Product 2. Transmitter incorporates a GFCI outlet tester to inspect the wiring condition at the electrical outlet and test GFCI devices. See more product details. The number 3 on the list is Choosing a right product is not easy. We always choose products after different experiments. Compact. A complete, full-featured video inspection camera no bigger than a smartphone. Camera scope coils to fit inside case for storage that fits in your pocket. Durable. The unit's thermoplastic rubber (TPR) housing and integral LCD are certified drop-proof to a height of 1 meter, 3.4 feet. Camera probe is long, 24 in, 0.6 meters, thin, 0.35 in, 9 millimeters, and penetrates tight, hard-to-reach spaces. The camera's depth of field of view, 1 in to 10 feet, 25 millimeters to 3 m, 60. Large screen. The 2.7-inch LCD screen has a resolution of 320 by 240 pixels and with many functions. Brightness up and down, 1 to 4x zoom, 180 flip. IP67 waterproof. Probe is IP67 waterproof, oil and dust resistant, and holds its configured shape. Includes nylon pouch with belt clip and 4 probe tip accessories, pickup hook, magnetic pickup, 90-degree mirror and thread protector. General tools. We're a recognized leader in developing specialized precision tools dedicated to delivering exceptional customer service. We encourage artisans and DIYers to use our machinery to work smarter, measure better, and repair productively. See more product details. The number 2 on the list is Many positive reviews for this product are available on different forums and communities. Camera type: single lens, straight viewing diameter, 0.15 inch, 3.9 mm, 0.21 inch, 5.5 mm, 0.3 inch, 7.6 mm. Probe length: 3.3 feet, 1 meter, 9.8 feet, 3 meters, 16 ft, 5 meters. Probe stiffness: soft, medium, stiff. Megapixel: 1.0 megapixel resolution, 1280 x 720 pixels. Viewing angle: 70. Depth of field: 1.18 inch to 3.94 inch, 30 mm to 100 mm. Bigger screen: this is the biggest handheld endoscope screen on the market at 5 inches with a 720p color IPS LCD screen and 1280 by 720 HD resolution image. IPS technology makes this screen extra bright for outdoor use. IP67 waterproof: the borescope is rated IP67 waterproof for use in inclement weather and wet environments. The Snake camera probe uses an aerospace connector that is water-safe to use in pools, plumbing and the rain. Fits for working in the dark. 6 LED lights are adjustable for brightness and give the forward camera a perfect view of the darkest inspection areas. The side camera has its own LED illumination, with flashlight and backlight buttons. The endoscope is perfect for working in the dark. Included 32 GB memory card, records audio and video. The inspection monitor includes a micro SD card that supports JPEG image. Rechargeable lithium battery. Includes a rechargeable 3500 mAh lithium-ion battery that gives you 5 to 6 hours of working time depending on your usage. Specification monitor. Screen type: 5.0-inch true color screen resolution, 1920*1080 pixels. QVGA. Camera resolution: 1920*1080 photo resolution, 1920*1080 recording resolution, 1280*720 port. Remote connect port: USB, TF card slot 32 GTF SD card. Camera diameter: 8 mm, 7.6 mm, 5.5 mm, 3.9 mm, 12.5 mm. Optional shaft diameter: 7 mm, 5 mm. Viewing angle: 70 degrees. Depth of field: 30 mm, 100 mm. LED flashlight: 1W Cree LED. Operating temperature: 32 degrees to 113 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 degrees to 45 degrees Celsius. Power: 3500 mAh lithium battery. Includes rugged and professional screen housing and probes. Several probe options. The number one on the list is this product comes with premium quality and affordable price. Handheld inspection camera. Allows you to perform detailed visual inspections in hard-to-reach areas behind walls, within HVAC, ventilation areas, or under the hood of a vehicle. Includes a 3-feet cable, mirror, hook, magnet, and 4Ah batteries. Superior memory. Holds up to 20 still images from inspections to playback on screen later, allowing you to examine the visuals at your convenience. LED camera head. 4 adjustable and bright LEDs illuminate dark spaces that helps you see better even in dimly lit conditions, while offering improved image quality. 3.5 inches color display. Large screen helps you better view the images, allowing fast diagnosis in tight or hidden spaces. Ergonomic grip. Comfortable one-hand grip offers ease of operation and provides steady control while guiding the camera through tight spaces.